Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Sienna, which it is a master plan community. Now, Sienna has been around for over 20 years and they are still building in this community. This community has everything you need: restaurants, dry cleaners, daycare. They even have their own schools on site. So this home that we're going to view in this community is built by Perry Homes. Now, Perry builders built some of the most beautiful homes, in my opinion, that I've seen thus far. Now, this home model is a 2529, which is also the amount of square footage this home has to offer. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it is a little bit over the $500,000 mark. So we're going to take a quick tour of this home, and in the comment section below, make sure you tell me what you think about this home. And before we take this tour, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I'm your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick tour. Welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking around to tour this beautiful Perry home with me, located in Sienna, which is in Missouri City, Texas. Now remember, if you have a question regarding this builder, this model, or any other real estate question, go ahead and drop them in the comments section below. And if you have not done so already, remember, hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.